Introducing the 2026 Cupra Leon V2 ETSI with 150 horsepower and a sleek blue exterior. This estate vehicle is equipped with the latest in comfort, safety and security features, from air conditioning to collision avoidance braking. With a 1.5-litre engine and automatic transmission, this car offers both power and convenience. Plus, the interior includes luxurious trim and plenty of storage options. Rest assured, knowing this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.